I get the iPad Air. Just a quick unboxing. Yes. So let's do this. So guys, I got the iPad Air. As you can see, this is 64 GB of storage, gigabyte of storage. It's a 499 price tag in the market now. So it's released nung last March 2019. So let's take a look now. Okay. Straight from the box, we have the iPad. Okay. Charging lightning cable, stickers and instructions and everything as it is. iPad Air, yeah. By the way, it's iPad Air 3 or 2019. Okay, so I have the charger. It's a European port, Middle Eastern something shits like this. Okay, yeah. So that is on the box. That is it. Okay. Ito lang po yung nasa box. Okay. Here we go. So guys, it's a 10.5 space gray. Yeah, as you can see, space gray. Compared to the iPhone 8, space gray, it's black. The same thing, pero mas black yung iPhone 8. Yung bezels niya is manifest. So A12 Bionic chip, which is the same processor, powerful processor dun sa iPhone XR and XS. Okay, so it's not bad. So we have a mayroon tayong mga variety of the iPads this March, just released in March 2019, last month. It's an iPad Mini 5 and this iPad iPad Air 2019. So as you can see, the bezels, it's very thin. Okay, so we have the fingerprints sensor, a 7MP camera, front facing camera, and we have the rear one, which is an 8MP camera. Inside we have the volume up and down. Okay, another side we don't have, and we have the smart keyboard. So you can see, you can attach a smart keyboard here, the same with the iPad 10.5 Pro and 2017. They the same body siya, which is you can get on iPad Pro 2017. Okay, so we have a headphone jack, which is hindi mo makukuha sa iPad Pro, because we have only two speakers, dual speakers. And it's not a USB Type-C charging slot. So the only difference is the speakers. While the iPad Pro has the 4 speakers, stereo speakers, this has a 2 speakers. Okay, so which is on the below. So magaan siya, sobrang gaan niya compared sa iPad 9.7. It's good for the mid-range if you don't want to go with Pro, or you want something like a middle specs, which is in affordability, and $500 iPad. I think you should go with iPad iPad 2019, iPad Air 2019. Kasi ako meron akong 9.7, which is you cannot compare. Okay, it's a big difference between the two of this iPad 9.7, iPad 2018, and iPad Air 2019, and which is the iPad Mini. You cannot compare also with the Mini on this iPad Air. So the big comparison is, okay, it is almost the same with the iPad Pro 2017 10.5, which is parehas sila ng body. So you can see the build, the form factor is almost the same. Only in the inside, actually we have a laminated display and an Apple Pencil support siya. Apple Pencil Generation 1, the Gen 1, Apple support siya. Okay, so which is not that bad. You can do a lot of things in terms of productivity, and if you want something like portability also in this iPad. So anyways, I will check this out. I will try, and okay, thanks for watching, guys.